Driving through the hinterlands out the back of Lismore, heading to Nimbin today. So pretty, so open. Let's explore. How awesome are these rock formations? Good morning. Today we are heading into Nimbin to check out the hinterlands in this part of the world. We've done another roadside stop for another piece of amazing geology. This is the Nimbin Rocks, apparently. We're a couple of k's out of Nimbin and we thought we'd stop. Phil's going to take the drone up, so hopefully we've got some really good shots for you. Coming into Nimbin. Quite a colourful little town. Backpackers. The guy in the clothes shop was just saying those things don't open till 10 and it doesn't really liven up here till midday, so we're a little bit early. Cool little bus shelter. The clothes shop we visited. To the rocks behind town. You can come sit and have a chat. Might take this bloke home with me. Excuse me, sir. Do you want to come home with me?
Yep.
Cool.
Yes,
that was easy. When I worked with my sister in the cafe, they'd lived in Nimbin and we used to sell Nimbin candles, so we thought we'd come to the factory and check it out. Lavender, because we always go with lavender. Let's just get a couple of lavender and a brownie. So just 3 of those.
There we go.
Well, thank you. We've just arrived in Mullumbimby for a look around. What have you got today, Phil?
Southern fried spicy chicken.
And where are we today? At the pub.
Coming with pub.
And I've got pesto fettuccine. We just did lunch at the middle pub. Yeah, nah.
It was just lunch.
It was, yeah, there was nothing exciting about it, really.
Had a bit up.
Yeah.
I better watch the boat.
Yeah, that would be lovely, thank you.
Look at the scenery.
You can watch the video back on YouTube.
Thank you, dear.
And see what you missed. Never seen so many bush turkeys in my life.
Everywhere.
We're coming up to Brunswick Head Beach, about 10 minutes from Mullumbimby. There's also a river at Brunswick Heads, which we'll have a look at on our way back into town, I hope. Well, we were going to try and find ice cream, so I guess we're going to town.
Yeah.
How have you found exploring today, Phil?
Amazing countryside. Green hills and beautiful valleys. So lush.
It has been pretty amazing. Painted in the surf life-saving colours. And the chair has a surfboard as a back. Not quite sure what they put in the water in Brunswick Heads. Seems to give people a lot of courage, I think.
Or stupidity.
Got up onto the break wall. We've got the river inlet on one side, the ocean on the other. The water's a lot dirtier looking up here. Not sure why. Whether it's the weather, definitely a lot choppier. Not sure it is the best day to try and surf out there. It's a bit choppy, but there are lots of people out there trying. Yeah, I'd say Brunswick Heads is probably my least favourite beach we've visited so far. But it's not a great day either for a day at the beach. The break wall's really nice. I really like walking along break walls. I'm just chilling on the end of the break wall, waiting for Phil. Can't remember if I said or not, but you can walk out on that one as well. Cream or gelato for so long. Phil's about to buy us some. Got a cool little place. All of this opposite where we bought the gelatos from, and there's a nice looking restaurant over there. There's actually a couple of restaurants. How's yours, Phil?
Race against it melting.
That's why I always get a cup.
Yeah, but ice cream's got to be in a cone.
It's not ice cream, it's gelato.
Hope you enjoyed our hinterland to the coast drive today. If you did, hit the like button.
And subscribe to our channel for more of our Northern New South Wales road trip. As always, thanks for joining us. Travel brilliantly. Bye. If you liked what you saw today and you want to see more, why not check out the playlist above or find us on social.